Hey guys! Today I have a bunch of goodies from ScentBird, and this is a fragrance subscription for only $14.95 per month, but they have a ton of other goodies. They have bath and body products, and if you guys have seen any of my other makeup videos, you've seen me talk about the Deck of Scarlet full face makeup palettes. They also offer these now for $14.95 instead of $29.95. The only difference is that you don't get the extras that comes with the makeup palette, and you can't get the most recent ones. So this is definitely a great way to get to try out their older makeup palettes, and they come with 2 lip colors, 3 eyeshadows, a highlight, and a blush. You can also upgrade your subscription to get 1, 2, or 3 products per month. You can choose whatever products you want. You can choose whatever scent you want. They have over 500 luxury fragrances for men and women. And don't forget, Father's Day is coming up. They have different sets. They have a gentleman set, a Mr. Billionaire set, a superhero set that has all different scents that would be perfect for any guy, or you can actually get them a subscription so they can just pick out their own every single month. This vial is 0.27 ounces or 8 milliliters, so you get a lot of perfume in here. So if you use this every single day, it will last you more than a month, which is over 120 sprays per bottle. And I'll show you the ones that I have today. They come in this cute little pouch. And you get, on your first purchase, you get a colored case, and all you do is twist it up, and you can see the little sprayer right there. So this one is my all-time favorite, DKNY Be Delicious. And to replace your perfume, all you do is pull it out, and you can see which perfume you have in the case. To replace it, you just pop it back in, twist it. This is so handy. You can throw it right in your handbag. It's not going to leak. You can replace anytime you want, so you just twist it up, spray, and that's it. Twist it down. So your first purchase, you get a free case. And then after that, you get just the replacement of your choice of any perfume or cologne. And on your 7th delivery, you get another free case. So I got both the DKNY Be Delicious, which is super fresh and almost like a fruity smell. That is my all-time favorite. And I got the Be Delicious Fresh Blossom. This has just a little bit more of a floral smell. They're both amazing. All of my friends, I got hooked on the DKNY Be Delicious. I actually had a bunch of girlfriends come over a few weeks ago, and they were all like spraying my perfumes that I have, and we all smelled the same that night. This is just like one of those perfumes that smells amazing on everybody. This one is in the purple case. And this is VERSACE Bright Crystal ABSOLU. And the notes in this one are yuzu, pomegranate, raspberry, lotus, peony, and magnolia. This is a great nighttime scent. It kind of smells like just fresh. It's just a really nice smell. This one is in the white case, and this is Ciao by CAMUTO. This has got a very different smell. It's actually not something I normally would have got, because when I first sprayed it on, I thought it was too sweet for me. But then when I left it on and it started mixing in with my body chemistry, I love it. Definitely one of my new favorites. I'll tell you what the notes are in this scent. There is mandarin orange, rose, wild strawberry. That I'm definitely smelling the strawberry. Passion flower, delish. Loving this. This one, I can't stop smelling it now. This one I really think is one that I would recommend that I think would smell good on just about anyone. Yum. So some of the Bath & Body products that I am totally loving from ScentBird is the Rose and Prosecco scented products. This one is the Airy Body Polish, and this is to exfoliate your skin, even just doing it on your hands or your whole entire body. It's gentle enough to even use on your face. Absolutely love this. There's also the Rose and Prosecco Lip Balm, which is amazing. It is super creamy and hydrating. It has the metal applicator that you just squeeze and your product comes right out. Oh, and it smells so good. It smells edible. It's delicious. And I also got the Rose and Prosecco hand cream. You guys, this smells so delicious. It smells like literally a perfume. It's just delicious. I can't even explain what it smells like. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. My girlfriend was over here a couple days ago. We had gone for a walk, we came back, and I had all of this stuff laying out, getting ready to do this video, and she grabbed the hand cream and she's like, oh my F, she swore. And I'm like, you never swear. She literally threw out the F-bomb when she smelled this. It smells so good. It really does. It smells amazing. I will definitely be reordering this, and it makes my hands super soft. And of course, I had to get the Rose and Prosecco candle. My whole apartment smells like heaven right now. And Prosecco is actually my favorite drink, so that's why I wanted to try these, and it smells amazing. So if you guys want to try any of these products that I have shown you today, I will put the link below in the description box with a 30% off discount code for you guys. And I forgot to mention, you can also skip or cancel or put your subscription on hold at any time. I feel like this is such a great subscription to have. The price is right and there are so many different products to choose from. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.